We all know what color is because we see the world in color, but the use of color in media and design is much more scientific than you might realize. Designers rarely use colors that just look good. Color is the result of different wavelengths of light being reflected off the objects we're looking at. All unseen colors are absorbed by the object. These reflected wavelengths are interpreted by the rods and cones located in our eyes into the colors we perceive. Colors are often split into three main categories. Primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, are the most basic colors. You can't make these colors by mixing other colors. Secondary colors, green, orange, and purple, are formed by mixing two primary colors. Red mixed with yellow makes orange. Tertiary colors are created by mixing a primary color with a secondary color. Combined, these colors create the rainbow of colors that make up the world. An easy acronym to help you remember these colors is Roy G. Biv. Each letter stands for a different color. R is for red, then orange, and so forth. The colors a designer chooses are important to the message they are trying to make. Colors have different meanings and can make an individual take on different feelings or emotions. It's important to realize that a color's meaning may differ between cultures. Red might mean emergency. Ever wonder why many fast food restaurants have lots of red associated with them? Red is also believed to increase hunger. The first thing you need to determine when working on a computer is how your piece is going to be used. There are two distinct color models, the additive or light color model and the subtractive or pigment color model. The additive model uses light to create colors, so it's useful for projected items such as computer screens and film. The primary colors of the additive model are red, green, and blue. When mixed equally, they create white. The subtractive model creates color by mixing inks, dyes, or paints. It's used for all printed items such as magazines, posters, and packaging. The primary colors of the subtractive model are cyan, magenta, and yellow. When mixed, you get a muddy brown rather than a black. This is why printer cartridges include a black cartridge with the primary colors. It is important to note that the additive model produces more vibrant colors than the subtractive model. If you are unsure of how your digital work will be used, always select RGB color mode. Colors can always be muted for print, but the brilliance can't be returned when switching between modes. There are lots more things to consider when selecting colors for your work, but this information should get you started. When it comes to colors, be brave, live bold, and create.